Stream Leaders is an outdoor education program facilitated by the Clinton River Watershed Council. We work with schools and teachers to provide students with a hands-on experience in data collection and water quality monitoring.
Hello, when you think of water quality, do you think only of the water? Or do you also think of the surrounding land use, the riverbed, how fast the water is flowing, and the plant life?
We will be looking at physical characteristics such as these to assess the creek and the surrounding area and look at the relationship these characteristics have to water quality. Let's get started.
This is Avon Creek, a tributary of the Clinton River. Let's talk about some of the physical observations we make when assessing the health of our waterways. First, notice the surrounding land use. Is this residential, forested, or grassland? How much vegetation is growing along the stream bank? What types do you see? Grasses, bushes, or trees? How is the water flowing? Fast or slow? Are there riffles, runs, or pools?
A riffle is a shallow, fast-moving area of water, high in dissolved oxygen. A run is deeper than a riffle, with a moderate current and smooth surface water. A pool is a deep, slow-moving part of the stream.
Does the water have any color or odor to it? If there were a chemical or sewage smell, that could indicate pollution. Finally, let's gather some numerical data. Here's what you will need to do a physical assessment of the stream. Waders, thermometer, tape measure, and a ball. We know how to measure temperature, width, and depth, but how about velocity? Velocity is the distance something travels divided by the amount of time it took to get from point A to point B. Basically, we're going to measure how fast the current of the stream is flowing. As long as it is safe for us, we stand in the center of the creek and measure a distance of 10 feet. Then we record the time it takes for a ball to travel the 10-foot distance between two people. Note that for all measurements we collect 3 data points. Can you guess why? Take a look at the data we have collected here at Avon Creek.
Thank you for watching and learning with us. If you are interested in getting involved or learning more about the Stream Leaders program, please visit our website at crwc.org.